Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and today we're working on my folding layout again. This time we'll be working on adding all the weathering to the layout, but before we get onto that, I do want to mention that I have also added a few extra things between episodes. First of all is I've added some extra platform decorations. So I've got the station sign here, which hasn't got a name yet. Added a few fake lights to the platform, just to add a little bit more decoration. And also I've added most of the blue, I want to say back scene, but it's just mostly just blue paper just glued to the outside, just to make it a little bit more sky-like really. It's a pain to add, because it's quite awkward, but yeah, I've got most of it all done. I'm not sure about doing it on the middle bit, because how bad it was, but yeah, I'll have a think about that. But yeah, today adding all weathering. For the most part, it would pretty much be on this side of the layout, because this is where all the buildings are. So yeah, I've got all my pastels ground up, so that's ready to go. I've also got some more, well not more, but still got my weathering powder stuff here as well. And yeah, it's just adding a little bit of weathering just to make it a bit more lived in and stuff like that. And also, just to finish it off, I'll probably add a few more bits of foliage, just because I need to clean up some of the edges around here where I've tried to add the back scene. So just to add a little bit more something around the edge, just to well, hide where I've messed up. But yeah, that's the plan today. So first things first is use all the weathering powder and all that lot just to make the village look lived in, and then tidy up around the edges where I've had to put the back scene in. So yeah, that's the plan, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Well, here we are, pretty much most of the weathering done. There's probably a few extra bits which I could do, but yeah, I've pretty much run out of ideas really. So yeah, it's turned out not too bad. I did notice that one of my weathering things is a bit, well, it doesn't want to work anymore, so I did as best I can. And yeah, it's turned out rather nice. You've got a nice muck on here. Got a little bit of weathering here. I do try to add a little bit there, but for some reason the grey powder never likes sticking well to the cardboard here. But yeah, I did try to get everywhere, and also did a little bit on the countryside, mostly on the rocks, because they would pick it up a bit easier. Also did a little bit of foliage on the corner here, and a little bit down here just to hide a few bits. Also over here does help make it look a little bit better. And again, just down here to hide a few bits. Do still need to do a little bit more of that, because I've got a little bit of a paper cut, well, coloured paper still sewing there. But yeah, it's pretty much mostly done. Very happy with how it's going. Next video on this layout will be me adding the final touches. So we'll be adding the station name, adding people, cars, well, a couple of cars and a few other vehicles, mostly people. Doing the final touches like adding the foliage leftover bits which I just mentioned, and a few other bits which I can't think of at the moment. Oh, and also I want to try and get that wire underneath the layout so that it comes out from underneath the little fabric cover on the corner. But yeah, only a little short video today, because like I said, it's only a small layout, so there's not really much work to do on it. But yeah, quite happy with it. Anyway, that's going to be it for today. So if you do like the video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you didn't like the video, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But that's going to be it for me. So yeah, I'll see you all again next time. So take care now. Bye bye. Let's get a nice shot. There we go. Take care now.